Good morning, my guys. It's Monday morning here. Once again, this is Antonio Point. Subscribe to my channel, which is Antonio Point. And I'm actually somewhere. This morning I came to, as usual, to take breakfast. And then after that, continue with the day. So guys, I think that your weekend was nice, was okay. Yep. And yeah, that gone, Maze. It's a beautiful Monday. It's a beautiful Monday. And also, we should thank the government because at least now the fuel rate is not that much that expensive. Why I am actually bought today. I filled my car today with 203 per liter. That is petrol, not diesel. So I can appreciate the government. I can say thank you for what is happening. That things are good. These are becoming at least affordable to Mama Mboga and other hustlers like me. Yeah, there is the rules and regulation of swimming. Yeah, so no pets allowed, and also food drinks are not permitted on the pool. Decks expect in designated sitting area. And charges, you can see it's very cheap, 300 bob. I'm very sure every person can afford. Don't know if there is water here. Yep, yeah. And here we are. Morning, bro. Here's the swimming pool for the kids. So as you can see, it's a nice place, by the way. Visit one day and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. The hotel is called Picnic. It is in Kajiado County, or Oletepes. It's either Oletepes or Picnic. It is in Kajiado County on your way to Kiserian. Like, I think 4 kilometers to Kiserian. Isenya Road. Yeah. It's a nice hotel. It's a nice hotel. Mm. Quiet place. The service here is also very nice. Where even the attendees are very well, well mannered. Uh, there are some places where you go and you are treated like like you're not a customer. But here I'm telling you, the service is one of the best. I recommend you guys wanted to visit this hotel. It's a nice place. So I'm actually just waiting for something I can eat. I think today I'll take what will I take? Today I'll take, I think, tea and some eggs, cheese, eggs and bread. Then I'll continue with the day. Yeah. Hey, but though, Maze, today I'm telling you it's very hot. Very hot. I can tell you, you can see the way sun it is. It's early morning, it's very early in the morning. It's around, it's not even 9 a.m. It's 8. But I'm telling you, the sun is burning. The sun is burning. It's like an afternoon. I'm actually asking myself at 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. how will it be? It must be. It's going to be very hot. But sometime, see, let us tell God thank you, because you know there are those people who are in abroad where winter is hitting them where they cannot even walk. Like the way I'm walking with a t-shirt. There are some countries where there's nothing like this sun. You have never seen this kind of sun. It's winter and summer. When they have summer, it's not that really hot. Mm? But here, here in Africa, we are very, very blessed. I swear, most of the people in Africa, they only see this thing called winter on movies. And they wonder what's up. Hey, is this real or just something that is edited? Because in Africa, you never see something like winter. So God love Africa so much. We have like everything. We have food. The only big problem with our country, with our Africa, is corruption. Corruption, corruption, corruption. It's on another level. I usually say that if our country, we as African, we are not corrupt, will be, I swear to God, will be very, very fine. But now, the corruption has killed everything. Corruption has killed everything. So we still continue and believing that one day things will become normal and things will change, because if it is not corruption, I'm telling you, we will be very, very far. So guys, have a nice day, and I actually want to tell you that I love you so much, you guys, and stay safe. It's Monday morning, and God bless you.